Hi guys, Varun here from Phone Arena, and here we are at the Lenovo booth at CES 2018. We're going hands-on with the all-new Lenovo Miix 630. This is a Snapdragon-powered Windows laptop or tablet or two-in-one, whatever you like to call it. So let's go and take a look at what it offers and what it looks like. So this is the Lenovo Miix 630. As you can see here, this is a keyboard. It's actually detachable. It's a folio design, so you actually take out the tablet if you want. So you have the keyboard, which doubles up as a stand as well, like a kickstand. So you can take it off. It connects via these pin connectors, as you can see here, and this is the tablet itself. So this is basically a very thin kind of Windows device. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor on the inside. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at the system settings. So you can see once you go to the About, running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 at 2.21 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM, and it's actually running on Windows 10 Pro, not the Windows 10s, but on the full Windows 10 Pro. So you can run apps from the App Store or also apps from the any Windows app. EXE should also run fine. As you can see, I have an Excel running here. And the best part is you get gigabit LTE inside because of the Qualcomm modem inside. So you actually have a SIM card slot and all that. So let's actually go into the Windows Explorer for a quick second. This is a PowerPoint slide which is being demoed here, and Lenovo is actually claiming about 20 hours of battery life from this device, and it's also got a SIM card slot and an eSIM on the inside as well, and you have the speaker grill, the headphone jack on the left, and the pin connector on the bottom. On the right side you have the USB Type-C port and also another speaker grill and the volume buttons. And on the top you have the power button and a couple of microphones, and on the back you have a camera. Very nice design, very premium and pretty thin as well. So let's actually check out something else. Not sure why. Okay, so I'm opening up the Windows folder. So as you can see, it's full Windows. It's not some like Windows RT or something like that. It's full Windows 10 Pro. As you can see, you have access to pretty much everything. And so let's actually show you the settings. So you guys might be interested in the connectivity. So as you can see, it has Wi-Fi and also cellular. So as you can see, you have a eSIM option. So you can say manage eSIM profiles, and you can manage all that. So that's going to be really amazing to have something like this, Windows 10 and built-in SIM card. It's going to be amazing for somebody like me who's going to be traveling and wants access to internet. So you have mobile hotspot, cellular, and all that stuff. Pretty cool. It's a 12.3-inch screen on the front. So you have a 12.3-inch screen, 1920 by 1280 pixels. The resolution is an IPS screen. Also comes with a keyboard and a pen. So you can actually use the pen as well. So let's actually go into the display settings. You can see it's a 1920 by 1280. I can use the pen as well if you want for your writing and stuff like that. And it's got Windows Hello as well built in for your facial recognition. And yeah, 20 hours of battery life because of the Snapdragon 835 on the inside. And yes, so that was a quick look at the Lenovo Miix 630 Windows tablet or laptop from CES 2018. Thank you guys for watching. Do the thumbs up button if you like this video, and see you guys in the next video.